Hi everyone, I am Dennis, Salesforce Certified Developer at CRT Technologies. In this video, I am trying to give you an introduction on Visualforce JavaScript Remoting. Visualforce JavaScript Remoting is a way to call Apex classes from JavaScript. It is very useful for creating web pages with complex and dynamic behaviors, which is difficult to accomplish using standard Visualforce Ajax components. JS remoting includes a remote method invocation, a remote method definition, and a response handler callback function. JavaScript remoting format is this. It contains a namespace, which is the namespace of the controller class, then the controller, which is the Apex controller's name, then the method to be called, the parameters that we pass as the arguments, a callback function to handle the response, and some configuration, that are the settings to declare the remote request. Now we can try a hands-on demo on implementing JavaScript remoting. First, we need a custom object. I have created a custom object called sample data. It's a simple database of a car workshop. It's the make and model of the car and the status of the repair work. So to implement JavaScript remoting, first we need an Apex controller. Here is the controller class. It contains function called getRecords. We call this function from our Visualforce page. This is the class. Here's the function. It does nothing but it selects the make, model and status from the object and returns it as a list of sample data records. For calling that function, we need a Visualforce page. This is the page. Here there is a JavaScript function called getRecordDetails, and this function is called from a button. There is a search box for entering the make and model of the vehicle, and here is the button. When this button is clicked, the corresponding JavaScript is called. Here it is. On that button click, first the search box content will be stored into an variable. It is then passed into the Apex function. That is, this is the class name and this is the function name, and this is the parameter. Then the corresponding function is called and the data is returned to the JavaScript. Here the data is populated into a table called records. If any error has occurred, we show that error inside that div itself, details div. Now we can see the result of our code. Here I am entering a car model. This query has returned 2 records, and if we put it as a blank and click find, all the records will be displayed on the page. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you.